Alright, so I just got done ordering the Summit 1 from Velotric. Now it's gonna take a few weeks to get here, and we just have to wait for it to get here. Alright, so the bike just came in. It's currently 9 a.m. And here it is. Velotric Summit 1. I got this in orange. I feel bad for my FedEx driver. They had to bring this heavy ass box in. It weighs like 90 pounds. I'm gonna start building it now, and I'm gonna let my assistant do all the talking on the specs.
Here are the specs for the Velotric Summit 1 e-bike. The motor is 750 watts with a peak output of 1300 watts and delivers 90 Newton meters of torque. The battery is 48 volts with 705.6 watt hours, has an IPX7 water resistance rating, and is UL 2271 and UL 2580 certified. The bike has a range of up to 70 miles on a single charge. The top speed of the bike is 28 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour. It features Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. The suspension system is a hydraulic suspension with 120 millimeters of travel and a lockout feature. The bike has Shimano 8-speed gears. It comes with 27.5 Vex 2.4-inch tires. The weight of the bike is 62 pounds or 28 kilograms. The load capacity is 440 pounds or 200 kilograms.
I just got done putting this bike together. I just put the battery back in. So let's turn this thing on. This display is pretty nice. My camera's not focusing on it though. There we go. Got a nice big display. That light is pretty bright. This camera's not doing its job. But let's go take this for a spin real quick. Alright. We're about to go meet up with a friend of mine, show him my new bike. So far I actually like this thing, homie. I just went not even a quarter mile yet. So let's jump on the road. We are in the highest pedal assist mode right now. There's like 15 levels of pedal assist on this bike. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got a nice hill. Wow, I can actually climb this. I'm going 20 right now and I'm pedaling. Yo, we're actually climbing. That's insane. Damn. Why is this car only on this side of the road? Because she's on her fucking phone. Let's test out the throttle. So there is a bit of a delay. And as you can see, we're going above 20 on the throttle, which is nice. You actually have to go into the settings on this bike to adjust the throttle limit. I turned that shit off, of course. All of this feels nice. Brakes feel good. I think he lives over here. Yeah, this is him. Yo. This shit is nice.
You want some oil?
I think I'm good for right now. It's nice. I don't have the kickstand on it right now.
Dude, don't put the kickstand on.
Yeah, I'll put it back on later. Or I never put it.
I would put it on there. Fuck that kickstand. Nobody got it. That's my mom. I remember my mom was riding. I bought this fucking bike. That little BMX. She's like, "Where's the kickstand?" I was like, "I don't need fucking kickstands anymore." All right, you gotta go up the hell as fast as you can.
Yeah.
You feel bad?
You want to go get Lori's bike if you want?
Yeah. Actually, that might be an idea.
Okay. So yeah, this is the Summit 1, bro. From Velotric. This is a nice bike. Yeah, I was about to tell you. I'm glad we went orange because it stands out.
Yeah, I was thinking that maybe you would do that.
But nice if they had red though, but orange.
You can always like put like a backpack on with like a high visibility shit. You know, like reflectors.
Yeah. I was going to get I wish they had red, but they only got orange, so.
Let me see this.
It's a bit heavier than the other one.
It is?
Yeah, by like 2 pounds.
Oh, okay. Okay. Bell power. You got provision. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. You can. This is the charge port.
No, that's for take the battery out, the key.
Oh, okay. All
The
right.
charge port's on the other side.
So you got 2 pounds on the other one. And this is the charge.
Yep.
Now, I've seen the people put the battery in the water fountain.
Yeah, I'm not risking that right now.
I'd say I wouldn't do that fucking shit.
I don't think I'm off.
They're fucking big, dude. They're like borderline fucking fat tires.
I don't think I can fit these on the bus. It might be too thick.
Wow, that color is awesome.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I only rode it for what? Mile and a half?
Up here.
Yeah.
Just jumped on it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Took
Wait,
the
where's your bike?
Behind you.
Do you want to take my orange? But I forgot
That
to
was the
charge
idea.
it.
That was the idea. I'm
So
gonna go
take
out.
it, but I forgot to charge it last night.
That's alright. How much did you use yesterday?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Seriously, I don't know. But
Yeah, I reached my arm in through the doggy door and unlocked because you had that like the door lock.
Oh, because I locked it right because he wanted
Yeah,
to
yeah.
keep
I don't want
like
because
so
you
late.
might mar this
Oh,
shit
yeah,
up.
you're
That's
good.
like aluminum. Okay. Alright. You pop it? Huh? Oh, it's the house.
Wait, where is your BMX?
Huh?
Where is your BMX?
Oh, it's in her dining room still, upside down.
Oh, okay.
It has not moved, dude. It's just like sitting there, like dead, like belly up. The fucking wheel, like yeah. It's just, my mirror is sitting in my house, in my living room the same way.
Mm-hmm.
All right, man. Where you want to go?
Greenway. You got time for all the way to Acapulcos, or is that too
Yeah,
far?
let's go. I mean, fuck it.
All right.
If I got a bail, I'll just turn around. Oh shit.
This thing feels like a fucking... Alright, so to keep this video short, I'm only trying to keep this less than 15 minutes. I'll save a trail ride for another day. But anyway, we took the Acapulcos Trail. It starts up in like Bellevue, and then it takes you all the way down to like the creek by the Brandywine Zoo. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this short. So I did manage to hit a top speed of like 32 miles an hour. And while we was going on the Greenway, there's a lot of debris everywhere. Whoa. So yeah, I almost slipped out right there because of the fucking debris on the ground. Also, there was a lot of people on this trail today. I never seen so many bikes on this trail. Now, it is a Sunday, and it just rained. It just got done raining for the past few days. So, everyone's outside at this point. But yeah, we went through the Greenway Trail, and there's just a bunch of debris everywhere. Now, I was trying to get used to the bike. I didn't want to, take hard turns or anything, or, fall. I haven't had a bike in a good minute. Well, I had a Aventon Level 2. I recently took that bike back because I was running into some issues with that bike. I kept getting this goddamn error code, and that error code meant like the controller or something was overheating, and it kept cutting off on me all the fucking time, bro. So I got tired of dealing with that bike. So I just took that bike back to Best Buy and decided to buy the Velotric. And so far I have no issues with the Velotric. Now you may have noticed my seat is crooked. I mean, I can fix that myself. I mean, that's just probably, I fucked that up probably. The seat came like at that height. I didn't even touch it. And yeah, that's really the only thing I need to do is just adjust my seat. I still haven't done it yet because I found it's not really that big of a problem. But yeah, so far I'm really liking the Velotric Summit 1. Now I am going to be using this bike as a commuter bike, and I'm not really going to take this on the trails for the first week. I want to, get used to the bike first before I take this thing off the road. So yeah, I am going to be using this as a mountain bike and a trail bike.
Alright, you want to do a head pass? Or you want to do something else while we're down there? We fall down.
Shay, want to go by the creek, then come back?
By the creek?
Yeah, then come back.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Alright.
Lead the way.
But after we was done riding around Alapocas, it was time for us to head back because he had to get to work, and also the bike that he was using was starting to die. Now the bike that he's using is a mid-drive bike. The motor is a 750 watts. I'm not sure what it peaks out at, and I'm not sure what the size of the battery is. Now that bike wasn't fully charged, but I was able to go faster than him on that bike.
Let's do a speed test.
Speed test?
Yeah.
Okay, go fast?
Yeah.
Let me hit my gear.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't move.
damn it.
Alright, I'm in. Go ahead.
Alright.
Damn it, dude, you're fucking fast.
Oh, shit.
I'm doing 30 right now. Okay.
He is taller than me. I think he's like 6'2", 6'3", something like that. He is taller than me. So there might be like a weight difference, but I mean, I am faster on the Summit. But I'm not sure. That is a mid-drive bike. I do have a hub drive bike, so his torque is probably better. But when we was making our way back up that Alapocas trail, we had to take this big ass hill. I actually did just fine. This is the first e-bike I have had where climbing that hill was not a problem.
It gets too hard to fucking like pedal. Alright, you want to go first?
Yeah, I'm a pedalist.
I think you're faster, man. Really, I think you can do it. Like, I think you're the performance of that bike is fucking.
Alright, let's go. Highest pedal assist. Oof. No throttle, we're just gonna pedal. We're going 18, nope, 17. This is a very steep hill, and it's very long. We're in gear number 5, I think. Wow, bro, I'm actually climbing this fucking hill. We're gonna throttle this bit. It's climbing. Passing on your left. Wait, what happened?
Shit ticked up.
Oh, I see. Ready to go down? Too much debris for me to want to haul ass.
My previous e-bike was the Aventon Level 2. I couldn't really climb those hills like that. Like I would have to pedal, whereas the Summit, I can use the throttle if I want and then pedal if I want to go a little bit faster. But yeah, so far, I really am enjoying this bike.
I'm at 33%.
Huh?
I'm at 33%. We went 15 miles so far.
8%.
8? Shit. I'm gonna drop in front of you.
Oh, you missed some fucking time.
I kind of feel bad dragging you out here.
What?
I feel bad dragging you out here.
No, it's cool. I did that to you, remember?
That's true.
Your revenge. It's all good. No, I'm happy because at least I got out. I mean, if they fucking called me for work, at least it wasn't like a photo.
Alright, so I just got back in, maybe like 20 minutes ago. I gotta say, the Velotric Summit 1 is a really good bike. Like, this thing is really powerful. The motor peaks out 1300 watts. Like, this bike is really nice. I like the throttle a lot because you can turn off the limit on the throttle. So you can go all the way up to like 32 miles per hour on the throttle with this bike. So yeah, this bike feels pretty nice. I just put 15 miles on it. Me and my friend, we went around. We like rode around the Alapogas Trail. The bike he was using was a mid-drive bike. This is a hub motor bike. And I actually kept up with him too. So it was pretty fun. I think my bike is a little bit faster than their mid-drive bike. I'm not too sure. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more videos on this bike in the future. So if you want to see those, make sure you subscribe. But anyway, that is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.